Good morning, everybody. This Amos Cash for Junk Cars is better known as Junkman Amos. Just signing in to you, saying good morning. Just getting ready to start my morning off. You already know where I'm headed. You already know. So I gotta get that coffee, baby. Get that coffee to start my morning off. In case it don't go good. At least one thing about it, that coffee always gonna go good in the morning time. But I got Folgers in my cup. Smash the seatbelt while I have my ticket on. Headed up here to my favorite little spot in the morning time. That Mill Branch and Home. Where we had that good coffee. Yes, sir. Mill Branch and Home. My man already now fixing it up. Yep, so I'll be getting back with you no sooner I go pull this cup off. I'll be right back. One thing about it, I'm not the only one that likes that coffee. Yes, sir. Everybody be coming here to this coffee. Yeah. Well, this morning I have to get coffee and gas. Well, we'll run here and get some right quick. I went in and got my coffee and my gas. Now, I'm ready to take my little road trip. My little road trip is to my daughter's house. when we go,
Bluetooth mode. Connected.
When we go over her house, it's just like taking a road trip. But I gotta do what I gotta do. Cause I'm daddy. And daddies do them things, especially for your children, no matter what. Even though you might not want to sometimes, but you know, you feel an obligation in your heart to do it. You know, because one thing about it, you ain't gonna agree with everything they do. But when they grown, you guys gotta bear with them. You know, I love all my children. I really do. Only thing I just hope my children love me like I love them. Love me now, don't love me later. I want them to enjoy me, you know, because you don't never want to get to that point and say what I should have been doing, what I, you know, should have been told him this or told him that. You know, if you love me, come tell me you love me now. Let me hear it. And if you don't, keep your mouth. But I'm finna start my morning off with my coffee. Love that coffee though. Yes sir, gotta have it, you got to have it. Well, I ain't gotta have it, just a thing that when I was growing up, my mama used to always have that cup of coffee in the morning time. Winter, summer, spring, it don't make no difference. So, I'm just a coffee lover. Blame it on Earlene, that was my mama name. But anyway, I'm going to start the little road trip. I got a long ways to go, so stay tuned. I'll be back. Yeah, I'm ready to start that road trip now. Just like I'm going out of town. I ain't driving the Infiniti now, I'm driving my Ashman Dodge. It'll get on down to while I'm thinking about it, like I'm new in this, you know, with the YouTube and all this. You know, my son, Social AJ, he off into it, and I used to think it's just a waste of time, but you know, like I'm really having fun just talking to the people, you know, and just telling them how my life story, what I do, you know, Junkman Amos, you know, and I want all of you, you know, just follow me, you know, just give me some likes, you know, just tune to my channel, you know, that Junkman Amos goes. You know, it can be insight, sometimes it might be boring, but guess what, that's how life goes. So, you know, help a brother out. Show me some love. Cause one thing about it, I'm always love y'all, whether I know you or not, cause it's just in my heart. So, what can I say? Show me that you care about me in a way. You might not love me, but show me you care about me. Just hit that button and roll with me. So, it ain't over by a long shot. Not by a long shot. Because, like I said, I'm 64 years old, getting up every morning. I'm early bird. I gotta tell you, I'm early bird. Been like that all my life. Whether I got anything to do or not, I got to get up something. Because, like I tell you, life ain't promised to you. But the Lord bless me to get up in the morning time. I'm gonna do my thing, baby. Whatever it might be. Sometimes it don't be nothing. But I'm still gonna get up, with my coffee, we're gonna figure out something. So I got a long ways to roll, so I'm not gonna talk that long, folks. I don't wanna bore you out right now, so I got a long day. My day really ain't got started yet, but it have got started. I gotta do this. I told you about the party, so I had to tuck some chairs and stuff out here, so Daddy gotta go get them and take them back to the place, the rental place. So that's what I'm gonna do right now this morning, starting off. So I'll get back with you later on when I get in the junk man car. See you later. Well, I'm almost here, my daughter. It's been a ride though. But you know what? Let me tell you something. Just imagine you go to a party and you under the influence of alcohol and you have to take these roads right here. I wonder which curve would you be in. Check it out. Man. I mean, I have to act real civilized when I come over here. Because these curves will get you. Man. Especially on a day like this, it's right into them. Yes, sir. That's something serious. Well, I'm almost there. Let me. There we go. Taking this roller coaster ride. On my way back to Memphis with these tables and chairs. You drop off. You remember me telling you, like, as long as I start my morning off, I can get along with Godzilla. And I can though. Like this morning. Like, I'm having a ball way out here, no man land, where my daughter stay, picking up tables and chairs. Because the good Lord blessed me to wake up this morning. And man, that's just a happy feeling, man. I'm talking about, I got a word for all you people over 50 years old. Don't feel like you're down. Man, get up and move around. That's it ain't gonna make you younger, but it'll make you feel better. But check this out though. 1 week from today, we're gonna start a brand new thing. Yeah, Papa got a brand new band working. I'll tell you what we're gonna do. We're gonna always start our morning out with our coffee. We're gonna do that. But Cash for Junk Cars, better known as Junk Man Amos, we finna go to the gym. I ain't been to the gym in some years. I should have never got out the gym. So we're gonna start a brand new thing in the morning time. We're gonna start working out in the morning. And I don't know exactly how many days a week that I'm gonna work out, but how many ever I work out, I want y'all to work out with me. Cause we old, but we ain't through. We got a lot of more stuff to do. And so we're gonna do it together. But before then, we're gonna get ourselves in order and in shape so we can do these things. So all I want you to do is just tune in with me, just subscribe, give me some likes, give me some, show me some love. I'm gonna show y'all some love. I'm gonna show y'all some real workout too. Well, it ain't gonna be well, once I get started with it anyway. But y'all gonna be with me from the start though. So don't be laughing and don't be hating, cause they gonna get together. Alright. When you see me walking around here with this 6-pack, they gonna say, "Ooh, I should have been started with him." Junk man gonna be in there, for real. But look, I'm on my way to take these tables and chairs back to their rightful owner, the rental house, and we'll go from there. So I'll be back. Well, finally made it here. Brought these tables and chairs. Get this out the way. This is my first assignment. Once I get this out the way, then I'll figure out what I'm gonna do next. I'll be right back. Okay, back again. Okay. Well, I'm back. Well, I went on and dropped the tables off, the chairs, and now my morning's still going on. I'm enjoying my morning because I'm having a good morning. You know, this is what I like. You know, because I'm an early bird. You know, I love my mornings. So now to make my morning real good, my wife's off this morning, so I'm gonna go by my favorite little eating place. That's Country Skillet. Grab us some breakfast, and you know, so if I make it back to the house and wake up without some food in my hand, it'd be a problem. So watch how she react when she smell that food. So beans, pay attention, and I'll be back. Well, I'm back here. Like, y'all have to excuse me. I was calling this place Country Kitchen. But it's not Country Kitchen. It's Country Skillet. I bet you ever work here probably said, that's not right. But I got it right this time. For to go in there and get me and my wife some breakfast. You know, so she won't jump it when I make it back to the house. Yep. So that's the right word. That's the right name right there. So y'all come on down here to the state line. Right off the expressway. They got some good food in here. Tell you. But after next week though, I'm finna slow down because I'm finna go in the gym like I was telling you. I'm finna go in the gym. Lose some of this weight. So I can get about 20 years out this old body. 20 more years out this old body. Here we go.
You ever seen that B2 in flight?
They don't swallow. Hey man.
Wait, to go where?
Yep, smell.
What are you getting today?
That's my favorite waitress right there. Look at her. Smile for me. All right, let me make this order and I'll get back with you. Back from country skillet. I said I've been saying country what is it? Country kitchen. But it's not kitchen, it's skillet.
It's country skillet.
Country skillet. Yeah. Got my wife up. She goes, look at her. Okay, baby, so unfair. So what we're working with this morning. So what we're working with.
A whole lot of food, I know that, baby.
Well, I know they got it thrown every kind of way.
You probably did that.
No, I didn't.
They did this?
Yeah, let's see. Let's see what all this is.
So you sure you make those CA food when you go back up there again? You need to keep that on your phone. What's all this right here?
I don't know. Pancakes up here. Let's see. That's some old country biscuits with the gravy on it.
And you got pancakes.
Okay, let's see. Well, that's what we're working with. We're gonna see how it is. Well, we already know how it is. It's good. So I'll talk to you later. It's Junkman Amos. Getting back with you. It's been a real slow day today, but you know what? I started my day off with my coffee.
Like I always do.
And you know what? Now, it's a shame people don't like to start. You know what? You gotta start. You know, people gotta figure out. You know, they happiness in that. You know what make them happy. You know, you gotta start your own little thing. You know, like something for you to strive with. But I strive in getting up in the morning time and getting my coffee and just doing me. I stay out of everybody's way because I want everybody to stay out of my way. And but like I said one time before, you ain't got but one shot at him. You better enjoy it. But then you know what? Even though that being said, people still don't understand that though. But you understand the president don't have one time around in life, and you know, and enjoy, especially when you get old. Now, I got someone in my corner. It's so hard for them to understand where I'm coming from. So, but I guess I'm gonna have to leave the earth for them to understand what I'm saying about enjoy your life. But I ain't trying to go nowhere for them to understand. If they don't understand with me here, that's on them. Because I'm not gonna let no one take my joy or enjoying it. You know, I'll be on YouTube, right?
Huh?
I'll be on YouTube, right? You'll see me, but like I always tell people I enjoy their life. I just want the world to see you.
Yeah.
You know, you're young to hate it, but
Hey.
you know, grown them got to be grown women now, huh?
This man here,
Always
talking. This Amos Casper Junk Cars is better known Junkman Amos. Now this man right here, this is where I get my strength from. This man here, what? How old you was?
84.
84 years old.
Yep.
This is where I get my strength. Well, every time I see this man, make me strive for something. Every time I say, live your life. Why? Because you ain't got but one shot at it. Thank you.
You know you can at it.
Y'all.